Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. For several years, electric vehicles have attracted enormous attention. They offer quiet driving, zero tailpipe emissions, instant acceleration, and the ability to travel without using gasoline. But as more drivers gain experience with electric vehicles, another trend is becoming noticeable. Some drivers who were interested in going fully electric are choosing hybrid cars instead, while some EV owners are considering a hybrid for their next vehicle. Why is this happening? The answer is not that electric cars are necessarily bad. Instead, it shows that different drivers have different needs. For some people, hybrid technology offers a balance between fuel efficiency, electric driving, convenience, and long-distance flexibility. To understand why some drivers are switching back to hybrids, it is important to look at how these vehicles work. A traditional hybrid combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor and a battery. The vehicle can use electric power, gasoline power, or a combination of both depending on the driving situation. The battery is typically charged through regenerative braking and the gasoline engine, so drivers generally do not need to plug the vehicle into a charger. This is one of the biggest reasons some drivers find hybrids attractive. Refueling is familiar and fast. If you are taking a long road trip, you can stop at a gas station, fill the tank, and continue driving. You do not have to plan your route around charging stations or spend additional time waiting for a battery to recharge. For drivers who regularly travel long distances, this convenience can be significant. Imagine driving several hundred kilometers and needing to stop. With a gasoline-powered vehicle or traditional hybrid, finding a fuel station is usually straightforward in many areas. With an electric vehicle, the availability and speed of charging can depend heavily on the location and charger. This does not mean EV charging is always inconvenient. Charging networks continue to expand, and many EV owners charge their vehicles at home while they sleep. For someone with a home charger and a predictable daily commute, an electric vehicle can actually be extremely convenient. But drivers who cannot easily charge at home may have a very different experience. Apartment residents, people who park on the street, and drivers without dedicated parking spaces may find home charging difficult. They may need to rely on public chargers. If a charger is occupied, unavailable, out of service, or located far from their usual route, charging can become another part of trip planning. A hybrid eliminates much of this concern because gasoline remains the backup energy source. Another reason some drivers are choosing hybrids is driving range. Modern electric vehicles can offer substantial range, but the actual distance can change depending on temperature, speed, terrain, traffic, and climate control use. Long highway journeys can also require more energy than city driving. A hybrid can provide a different kind of confidence. Once the fuel tank is full, the vehicle can often travel a considerable distance before needing another stop. The electric motor helps improve efficiency, particularly during certain types of driving, while the gasoline engine provides additional range when the battery's available energy is low. For some drivers, this combination feels like the best of both worlds. They can benefit from electric assistance without completely depending on electricity. Fuel economy is another major reason hybrids remain attractive. Hybrid systems are designed to use gasoline more efficiently than many conventional gasoline vehicles. During situations such as low-speed driving, stopping, and starting, the electric motor can help reduce the workload on the gasoline engine. Regenerative braking can also recover some energy that would otherwise be lost as heat through traditional braking. City driving can be particularly interesting for hybrids. Frequent stops and starts provide opportunities for regenerative braking and electric assistance. Instead of wasting all the energy produced during braking, the system can recover some of it and store it in the battery for later use. However, hybrids are not perfect. They still use gasoline and produce tailpipe emissions. Their powertrains can also be more complicated because they combine gasoline and electric technology. Depending on the vehicle, maintenance can involve both conventional automotive components and hybrid-specific systems. So why would someone choose a hybrid after previously considering an EV? One reason is lifestyle. Imagine a driver who normally travels a short distance to work but regularly visits families several hours away. An EV may work perfectly for the daily commute, especially with home charging. But if the driver frequently takes long trips through areas with limited charging infrastructure, a hybrid can reduce the need for careful charging planning. Another factor is extreme weather. Temperature can affect the energy consumption and performance of electric vehicles. Very hot or very cold conditions can increase energy use, particularly when heating or cooling the cabin. Hybrid vehicles can also experience changes in efficiency during extreme weather, but their gasoline engines provide another source of energy. This can be reassuring for drivers who live in areas where weather conditions are challenging or where charging infrastructure may be less reliable. There is also the question of charging time. Refueling a gasoline or hybrid vehicle can usually be completed within a few minutes. Charging an EV can take much longer depending on the vehicle, charger, battery level, and charging equipment. Fast chargers can significantly reduce the waiting time, but they are not available everywhere and charging speeds can vary. For drivers who value quick stops during road trips, a hybrid can be appealing. Instead of spending time waiting for a battery to reach a useful charge level, they can refuel and continue their journey. Cost is another consideration. The total cost of owning a vehicle depends on many factors, including purchase price, electricity or fuel prices, maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and driving habits. An EV may provide lower energy and maintenance costs in some situations, but the upfront price and other ownership costs vary greatly by model and market. Hybrid vehicles can offer fuel savings without requiring drivers to change their habits dramatically. You still visit fuel stations, but you may visit them less frequently because the vehicle uses gasoline more efficiently. Another reason for the renewed interest in hybrids is that not every driver wants to completely change the way they use a car. Some people simply want better fuel economy. They may not be interested in learning about charging networks, battery levels, charging speeds, or home charging equipment. A hybrid allows them to benefit from electrification while maintaining the familiar experience of filling up with gasoline. There is also a growing variety of hybrid vehicles. Hybrids are available in compact cars, sedans, SUVs, and other vehicle categories. Plug-in hybrids provide another option by using a larger battery that can be charged externally. A plug-in hybrid can operate electrically for some shorter trips and then rely on its gasoline engine when additional range is needed. This makes the automotive market less about choosing between gasoline and electric vehicles and more about choosing the technology that matches your lifestyle. Of course, the decision to switch back to a hybrid does not mean that electric vehicles are losing their advantages. EVs continue to offer benefits such as quiet operation, instant torque, zero tailpipe emissions, and potentially lower routine maintenance. Charging infrastructure is also improving in many places. For some drivers, an EV remains the ideal choice. If you have convenient home charging, mostly drive short or medium distances, and rarely take long road trips, an electric vehicle can be incredibly practical. For other drivers, however, a hybrid may provide a better balance. It can deliver improved fuel efficiency, electric assistance, regenerative braking, and long-distance flexibility without requiring a complete dependence on charging infrastructure. The important lesson is that there is no single vehicle technology that is perfect for everyone. A driver who lives in a city and charges at home may have completely different needs from someone who drives long distances every week. Someone who rarely takes road trips may prioritize different features from someone who spends hours on highways. As we move toward 2027 and beyond, the automotive market will likely continue offering multiple choices, including gasoline vehicles, hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and fully electric vehicles. Instead of one technology immediately replacing all the others, different systems may coexist for many years. Some drivers are switching back to hybrid cars because they want efficiency without giving up convenience. They want to use less gasoline, but they also want the freedom to travel long distances without worrying about charging. They want electric assistance, but they may not be ready to depend entirely on a battery. Ultimately, the best vehicle is the one that fits your everyday life. Before choosing an EV or hybrid, think about where you drive, how far you travel, where you park, whether you can charge at home, how often you take long trips, and what ownership costs matter most to you. Hybrid cars may not be a step backward. For many drivers, they could simply be a practical step forward that provides a comfortable balance between traditional and electric automotive technology. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.